Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we are on Herne Bay seafront, taking a look at easily one of the most spectacular detached houses available on the market. Now, this property is number 34 Western Esplanade, and it is an utterly striking detached family home on the seafront, giving you some of the most unrivaled views available. This property has a lot to offer and there's a lot to go through, and most of it must be seen to be believed. So let's go through and take a look. So here we are inside number 34 Western Esplanade. Of course, the first thing that takes you here is the unique design and finish here that we've got with the property. It is absolutely stunning throughout. We're taking a left and going straight through into the main reception area here on the ground floor of the property first, and the first thing we'll take a look at here is those stunning sea views from the front. Now, the views that you get upstairs from the balcony are equally as stunning, but let's go through and take a look at what the property actually has to offer us. So coming through the lounge area here, you've got that beautiful focal point there in the fireplace, and you'll notice here we've got the smoked oak flooring and those beautiful ceilings here as well. Gorgeous feature windows there at the side, really strategically placed just to let all of that natural light flood through, and the property really does give you that wonderful mixture of character but really convenient modern living. Coming through further to the rear here, we can see a beautiful south-facing rear garden, and the current owners have really gone a long way into trying to bring the outside inside with this property with those bifolding doors. Coming through into the kitchen area here is again absolutely stunning. You've got that beautiful sky lantern there letting all of that natural light flood through into this really big space, and you can see here, even in the way that the kitchen worktops have been designed with those beautiful curves and edges, the kitchen itself is practical. You've got a lot of worktop space here, lots of storage as well. So I'll leave you for a few moments just to take this space in. We'll go through and take a look at the utility room and downstairs cloakroom a little bit further along at the end there, but this space, of course, I'll leave you just for a few moments to take it all in. So we're just coming out of the utility space now. We're just going to take a right and show you the little sneak peek of the back garden there. Of course, through the bifolding doors, and you've got that beautiful covered area as well, so that you can enjoy that south-facing garden all year round. Kitchen itself does come with a range of fitted appliances and space for other loose white goods. Coming back to the front of the property here, we'll take a look at the downstairs bedroom or study space, depending on how you'd like to lay the property out. So the property does offer 3 to 4 double bedrooms, but as a study, this is a beautiful room with those stunning sea views, and let's just take a moment to appreciate those radiators as well. Absolutely stunning. So let's go upstairs next and take a look at what we've got there. So making our way upstairs to the first floor of the property, where we'll take a look at a further 3 bedrooms, including the master suite and that beautiful balcony to the front. We're just going to start by taking a look at the bedroom to the rear. Now, this rear bedroom, of course, does benefit from the south-facing rear garden, so you're going to get a lot of light coming through here. And with that beautiful vaulted ceiling, it does give you a far better sense of space in here. And you can see that you've got plenty of room, not only for the bed, but for plenty of storage as well. Coming back through onto the landing, we're going to take a left and go through into the main family shower room that we have here on the first floor of the property, and you'll see again a beautiful decorative finish as we've expected to find throughout the entire property in here. So on the left hand side you've got that fantastic double shower unit, the walk-in shower, with of course the high level flushing toilet there on the right, and then of course a beautiful sink unit as well. So let's go back out onto the landing and take a left and take a look at one of the seafront facing bedrooms. To the front here, this is a spectacular room in of course the turret that you can see from the front. You've got that beautiful vaulted ceiling again in here with those wonderful windows, and they are real picture windows. When you're sat at a certain level, all you're going to see here is the blue of the seafront. It's absolutely beautiful and most certainly breathtaking. So coming back out of the double bedroom, which is a good size with plenty of room there for storage and the double bed, we're going to go through and take a look at the master suite here. Now, one thing that I like to note with this property is on the landing you've got this nice big open space here with the access out onto the balcony, so you could easily use this as a beautiful little reading area. Taking a little glimpse there at the balcony and the sea view that comes with it. We'll go out there and take a look at that a little bit later, but for now, just taking in this absolutely spectacular room. Now, with the main bedroom here, you can see that you've got that nice division between the ensuite bathroom area to the rear and of course the bedroom area. Now, there is a hidden dressing room in here just through the wardrobe to the right hand side of us there, and it's going to be an amazing opportunity to take a look at that space when you come here on your viewings. So coming through to the rear of the master suite here, you can see that you've got the loo there with that beautiful roll top bath and the walk-in shower unit as well, and again you've got that Juliet balcony space to the rear, just letting all of that south-facing light come straight through into the bedroom. So I'll leave you again for a few moments here to take this space in. You'll go out onto the balcony, take in those breathtaking views, and then what we'll do is we'll head into the rear garden, go through a couple of points there and start to wrap up today's tour. So here we are in the rear garden at number 34 Western Esplanade. First thing we're taking a look at here is the open garden room, which is a beautiful feature of the back garden and does allow you to enjoy this space all year round, and particularly in the summertime with that sun coming down. Of course, south facing back garden there, you're going to be enjoying that all day long. Now you've got a range of outbuildings here giving you both storage options and a really nice space to enjoy the back garden from. But more interestingly, at the rear of the property we find ourselves taking a look at a detached space which allows you to have friends, family, perhaps elderly relatives or teenagers come and stay. Of course, being detached and completely self-dependent, it's a wonderful space to enjoy and relax from. So coming up into this sort of secret garden area here, a nice detached space for guests and relatives to spend if they're coming to visit for the weekend. You can use this space for a multitude of things. If you need somewhere to work from home, again, that would be a wonderful option for you. Or if you're looking to run a business from home as well, then this is absolutely wonderful, as you do have the separate access as well. So coming through into the cabin here, huge point with this one, of course, beautiful decorative feeling throughout, and you've got this nice open plan living and kitchen area. You've got a bedroom and also a shower room out here, so again, entirely self-contained. So we'll start to recap a few points on the property in general now before wrapping up today's tour. Of course, this is number 34 Western Esplanade, an utterly unique seafront home here on Herne Bay Seafront, giving you 3 to 4 double bedrooms depending on how you'd like to lay the property out, and a beautiful sense of decorative finish throughout. I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.